Hi there, I'm Chloe Crabtree from CelebrateAndDecorate.com. Welcome to Hometalk. This is quite an involved project, but this is one step you don't want to overlook. Take your shatterproof ornaments, which these are. You're going to gently remove that cap. Take a bead of hot glue right around there and slip your cap right back on. Don't think that you can skip this step, because if you do, when you go to attach them to your archway, they will pop right off. You're going to measure 3 pieces of PVC to make your archway. So you have to measure your door, or for me, it was the front of my porch, so you know how long you want the PVC to be. It cuts very easily with a hacksaw. Then what I'm going to do, and you can do this with a drill and it would go all the way through, but my drill is out in the garage. I wanted to do this real quickly inside, is just take my Dremel and put my holes right through the PVC like so. There you are. You've got your hole in your PVC. Now you're going to turn it around to the other side and do the same thing. Once you have your holes drilled in there, you're going to want to take a zip tie. I chose to use these kind of whitish clear ones, and you're going to pull one through each one of your holes. Like I said, you're going to do one about every 18 inches. Then you're going to take some garland like so. This one happens to have pine cones on it. It doesn't have to have pine cones on it. And you could use this whole technique for something similar, but without the ornaments that I did. And we're just going to tighten that right on there. And then you're gonna wanna clip that really close so that nobody gets cut from those sharp ends. So there you go. And we're gonna attach this garland all the way down. If you don't drill those holes, your garland will simply slide up and down on your PVC. It won't stay spread out. Once you have your garland all attached to your piece of PVC like I have, this is so long that I cannot show it all to you, you're going to want to start to add your ornaments. Grab 3 or 4 of your ornaments that you have already glued the caps onto and feed them onto a green pipe cleaner like so. Just like that. And then twist them into a little bundle of ornaments. There you have it, like so. What I'm going to do then is bring my PVC over, and I'm going to start attaching these. You do not have to wrap this pipe cleaner all the way around the back of, but if it fits, that's fine too. And you're just going to twist that like so, and you have started to add your ornaments onto the front of your garland. So I'm just going to go to work adding some more. We'll add some right here, and these I think will have to go just under my garland, between my garland and the PVC. And I'm just going to keep adding ornaments all up and down my garland like so. When you have your piece of PVC all decorated like this, you're going to bring it out, and I'm going to put these out here on my columns, but you can also do these right next to your front door. But for me, this made a really easy place for me to zip tie the entire thing right around my columns. So that's what I'm going to do. You're going to get some extra large zip ties to attach that to your posts like so, or you can use command hooks like those if you are putting it around your door. And this is how I made this beautiful archway to greet guests, whether they're coming to my house or just walking by this Christmas.